The deliciously Ella pasta that I got from Waitrose. It's the only one that they had, so I'm just gonna put that in boiling salted water. So I've got 600 grams here of the chicken. Here we go, already chopped up, and I'm just going to saute this in olive oil, and then we're going to set it aside. So now the chicken's done, I'm going to add a little bit more olive oil, and I'm going to fry 1 onion and 3 garlic cloves in for some nice flavour. I'm going to use the same pan, but I've removed the chicken and put it aside. So once the onions are soft, I'm going to add half a tablespoon of plain flour just to thicken it, along with some half-fat crème fraiche and stock. So stock is 250 ml. I'm going to add some salt and pepper. I'm going to add 75 grams of frozen peas. You can add more if you want. So straight from the freezer. Looking and smelling divine. Lemon juice just to zing it up a little bit. I'm going to put in a teaspoon of parsley. You can also use fresh basil if you wanted to, but dried herbs are just good because it doesn't go off and it just keeps in your cupboard ready to be used. And then to finish it off, I've got some parmesan here, around 35 grams, and I've also grated some lemon zest here as well, just to lift it. And this is just going to make it really nice and creamy. I'm a big fan of dishes like cacio e pepe with the parmesan, black pepper and butter, and I thought the kind of crème fraiche will be that kind of version of the butter, because I love creamy things, I love parmesan. We're gonna add our pasta and chicken, save some stock water because you might want to use that just to loosen everything up. So now it's time to serve up. So notice how it's really the simple tweaks. So what have we done? What are the simple tweaks? Well, we've used red lentil pasta. We've used half-fat crème fraiche. Okay, we've added peas for that extra vegetable. We've made sure that there's a good amount of protein in our meals to keep us feeling full. To improve this, you know, I'd maybe serve this with some steamed broccoli on the side. What else have we done well? We've only added a little bit of parmesan, you know, we haven't gone crazy, but as you can see, it's just silky, saucy dried parmesan in there, and we've made an extra portion for our lunch or dinner tomorrow. Okay, so let's give this a try. Really, really good. The lentil pasta to me doesn't taste any different from really normal pasta. So yeah, I would recommend the Deliciously Ella brand. Once it's cooked, it hasn't, you know, the color's changed to more white, and the sauce is just really creamy and just full of flavor with the lemon and the parmesan. So I highly recommend this dish.